Okay, there's a lot of research out there about the benefits of running, regular running. So about 3 times a week, going for just a 15 to 20-minute run has amazing benefits on your overall health. Now, the first thing is your mental health. By mental health, your brain, as you probably know, releases endorphins, happy chemicals when you exercise. So imagine if you're exercising 3, probably even more times a week, you're releasing those lovely endorphins and you're releasing them in a way that's healthy. You're not having to have alcohol or caffeine or some other stimulant. It's pure natural release. Now, I know from running that I feel great when I go for a run. When I come back, I'm sweating and my heart's going and I'm guzzling down loads of water and I'm hungry, but I feel absolutely amazing. Honestly, it's an incredible feeling. Running lessens the effects of asthma, and I can testify to that myself. I have asthma. I suffer from asthma. I know that when I started running, I was worried that actually I'd get really bad asthma. And particularly when I was running in really cold weather, I had to have my inhaler. But I can testify that my asthma has got a lot better since I've been regularly running. It helps prevent high blood pressure. Now, I know that I've had my blood pressure done quite recently, and for a 40-year-old guy, I know I've got really good blood pressure, and also I know that I've got a strong heart from running. I know that I've done sort of self-tests, and I know that I'm in a really good place with my heart, which is quite nice to know. You have a strong immune system. Runners generally have better overall health, so their immune system is better. Weight loss, of course, the focus of this course is for you to lose weight, to feel really good about yourself. And running will burn around about 700 to sort of 800 calories per hour. Now, that's pretty good. Your physical strength, running builds lower body strength in addition to strengthening your tendons and ligaments. I know that after I started running for about a year, I really noticed a shape, particularly of my legs changing. I was getting a lot more muscle and definition on my legs, and I could also feel under my extra layer my stomach muscles starting to be more defined, and my core muscles, which is quite encouraging. It increases bone density, your joint strength and stability, and personal control. Now, I don't know how you can prove this, but if you feel really confident about yourself, then you take that into the other areas of your life where maybe you're struggling, maybe your family life's a little bit all over the shop, or your work life. But if you feel good about your strength, about your physique, about the endorphins being released in your brain, then you're going to take that into other areas of your life. And finally, there's research out there that argues that it really reduces the effects of diabetes. Now, I don't have an issue with diabetes, but if you do, you may want to research that a bit more, because that would be a really good thing to have the knowledge of that. So when you're running, you know that you're helping an area that maybe you struggle with. So maybe take one of those things there in that list, and maybe you want to research it a little bit more. What is the evidence that it increases your physical strength? Although it could be obvious. How about if you suffer from asthma? Maybe you want to research that a bit more, and then you take that knowledge into your training, and then that's something that you can focus on as well as weight loss and your physical appearance.